Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix X cropping. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now when you're trying to upload a profile picture in your account, you can see that you can't upload your photo as a full screen. Then what you can do here is simply download an app named Snapseed. Go to the App Store, tap on the search bar and then type in Snapseed and simply just download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, open up the app and then tap on the plus icon, and here select the photo that you want to upload. And now here, once it's loaded, you have edited the photo. Here on the bottom bar you'll see option that says tools. Simply tap on that, and once you tap on that, you'll see an option that says expand right here. Simply tap on that, and now what you got to do is just simply expand the image little by little like this, and then tap on the check icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. And now do this a couple of times, and once you're done with that, all you got to do is tap on export and then tap on save. And once that's done, all you got to do is go back and then open up your X app, and here select the photo that you have edited, and now you can see I can keep this in full, and then simply tap on apply, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.